How to fix ChatGPT unknown error occurred when uploading files. How to fix error code 403 in Roblox. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up your web browser and then tap on the three-dot icon. Scroll below, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below again, then tap on Privacy and Security. Now select third-party cookies. Scroll below, then tap on See All Site Data and Permissions. Now, in here, in the search bar, simply search for Roblox. And then, once it appears, you can simply tap on the stress icon to clear the Roblox site data. Now, close your browser completely and then press the window key plus R. After that, a dialog box is gonna appear. Inside here, simply type in %local app data %, then press OK. Now in the folder that appears, look for Roblox folder, right-click on Roblox folder, then tap on Delete. After clearing your Roblox cache files, you can simply restart your computer if needed. Now open up Roblox and check whether the issue is solved or not. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.